Hello. There we go. Hello. Hello. Mic check. Mic check. Hello. There we go. All right. Now it's working. Sorry about that, guys. First time, well, second time, trying to do a live stream here on YouTube, trying to share with you guys my trade analysis. Right now, what we're trying to do is we're trying to pass a 300K Apex evaluation account. Hello. Okay. We got to figure out this back feed. Okay. Mic check. Mic check. Think you guys can hear me. Let's see here. So here's a bigger time frame. What we're looking at here is we're trying to target this channel, this upper band of channel here, about 845 area. But we gotta get out of this consolidation zone. This 810 is being a pain in the butt to get over. Yeah, we don't want to get stopped out down to the 750 area either. 50 points. Let's see if the 300K can survive that. Whoa. Looking to add in this position here. We're gonna full send this 300K account. The only reason we're trading aggressive this way is, again, we're just trying to pass it. I already passed 350K account this morning, and these guys are safe. We're gonna build those out for payout, hopefully by mid or towards the end of the month. Okay. Again, we want that 21,780 to hold. We get below that, then we gotta cut our losses here. The reason I don't have my stop loss there, because sometimes you'll get this magic wick kind of liquidity grab, hit your stop, and then rip it right back up. I don't want that to happen to me. You can see that right here. These big wick. This happened in like a blink of an eye. All right, moment of truth here. Let's see if 780, 21,780 can hold. Moment of truth. Hitting the pivot point here. really want to add right down here to 780. Kind of test out my theory. Guys, I'm not professional or anything. I'm just kind of recording this to kind of learn more about live streaming on YouTube and seeing if I can pass this Eval 300K Apex account. Ah, it's really killing it here at 780. All right, let's see. We got the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. Moment of truth. Here we go. I'm gonna full send it right here. Full send. Expecting a bounce here at 75. I don't recommend this type of trading. Again, this is just a one account. They're not linked to multiples. When I trade the 50K PA accounts, I'm very conservative, 1 to 2 contracts. Typically, I wait for like a bull flag or bear flag patterns. Get the VWAP down to 21,700 area. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. My thesis is I think it's going to keep pushing higher, but there's not enough fuel to push it up, so they have to trap more shorts. They trap more shorts down here. They become fuel to the upside because we know the shorts have stops here, right? And then stops above this area here. So if we can get them to join the party thinking that this is going to roll over, here we go. Look at that. It's amazing. I'm going to take some off right there. Take another 5 off. We just went green. I'm looking at my phone as well because for some reason when I'm looking at the charts on my phone, I have a better sense of read of the charts. That's just weird, but if it works, it works. So I'm sizing down here just because we did join that downtrend channel. Let me readjust this guy, kind of give you guys a better idea. Right there, right? Okay, here. Hopefully you guys can see that better. But we broke below this uptrend, and so we need to really get above that. And we have the EMAs, the 1 minute, 9 and 21 EMAs pointing down. We want to take all the profits they can give us here. We need to get back above 800 to really push up. If this thing pushes above 800 again, oh my God, I'm gonna full send this thing. I'm just gonna load up probably 30 contracts. Again, we're just trying to pass this 300K Apex account. Okay, we're hovering above the 780 again. If the 780 can hold, we have a chance to really squeeze all the shorts. All the shorts that got comfortable down here, they're like, all right, it's rolling over. And they're going to be squeezed to the upside. All these guys, all these short sellers right here that are stuck thinking that it's going to roll over, they're going to be fueled to the upside. And our target is 850. Right here, I'm going to put a green line there. Going to give you an idea where our target is. 850, right about there. We'll turn that into dark green. Once we hit that area, we should be able to, we'll make it lime green. You guys can really see it. There we go. All right. So this is the NQ trading NASDAQ futures, and we're just doing some experiment here to try to pass the 300K Apex evaluation account. The drawdown on this account is 7,500. There we go. We're starting to push. That was a nice little sweep of liquidity there. So we know that the short sellers really piled on in this area right here, right? I want to make this one darker so you guys can see. Start using that from now on. There we go. Change it to smaller time frame. There we go. All right. So we know the shorts are feeling comfortable right now, right? All these short sellers in that box right there are comfortable, they're profitable. So if we can push back above 790 and then 800, they can really start feeling that pain. But the 780 really needs to hold and consolidate up here. We will see. The way it's feeling like I want to get out of this trade if we can't get above 790, 21,790. Because I think they're going to draw this thing further down. 21,790. Also, we have previous day close. Previous day close. So that's going to be acting as a resistance level. Some reason I'm hearing like a echo, 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 echo. All right. I'll fix that later. If you guys know how to get rid of this echo, type it in the chat. Echo, echo. All right. Whoa, it still can hear myself. The beauty of trying something new. There we go. All right. 21,790. Come on, baby. Squeeze. Oh, we're about to get some push here. Volume's increasing. There we go. All right, let's go, baby. So we want to see a bull flag above this 800 here. Oh man, this is looking good. Looking good for the push to the upside. We got to get above 800. Come on, baby. The shorts are starting to feel it now. Now what happens here is all these short sellers that join this party around the 810 area, they're going to start adding into the position around the 800 to try to keep this thing down. And if they can't keep it down and the bulls are very strong, then the shorts are going to feel the pain. They're going to get squeezed. The idea is we're going to squeeze above here. It's a quick pop. When you see that quick pop, that's when you know the short sellers are just in pain because they're exiting their trade at market order. They're raising to the exit door. So we'll see here. Hold tight because I am getting ready to load up these contracts once we close above. I want to see a 5-minute close above 800. So I'll draw this trend line here. Here we go. Moment of truth. 800. We need this thing to pop. If this thing pops up, that tells me the shorts have just confirmed they are wanting to get out of their position. We're sitting pretty good here on our profit, about $2,500 with 5 contracts. And again, this is an eval account. I want to see if I can pass this live here on YouTube. The first and many more. Once you guys start joining in and subscribe, obviously, to kind of follow my journey. And hopefully we can all get a payout from Apex and from all the other prop firms that are available to us today. Come on, baby. See, the cool thing about this price action right here that I want to clarify is when it popped up there, right? There's no heavy selling. There's no whip, no wicks. So right now, the bulls are really wanting this thing to push, and the sellers are just trying to keep it down. And once this thing pops, it's go time. Come on, baby. Get above this 800. Okay, 790. 21,790 is holding. We need to build a mini bull flag here. This is looking good. This is looking good. For those of you just tuning in or just finding this channel, welcome. I created this channel to really motivate other people to start day trading futures and leveraging prop firms accounts to make money. The channel's name is Day Trading to Freedom because that's what we're all trying to do here. We're day trading to try to escape the 9 to 5. So that way, you know, you can just sit in your underwear and make money clicking buttons. That's what we can do here on YouTube. That's the kind of opportunity that we have now in 2025 and beyond. You know, the industrial age is over. It is the information age and digital. So let's make money digitally, like this guy, right? The Bitcoin. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, 100 grand right here, sitting in my hand. Get yourself one of these and hold it. All right, we're starting to push here. All right, we're starting to break this channel. Exactly what we're looking for. We need this candle to close above 800. We need a 5-minute candle close. It's probably going to chop around for a little bit between 810 and 790. I think that's a chop zone, just as you can see from looking left, the consolidation. We need it to get really volatile here. We need to see these price action to start whipping around. There's another seller. Seller's joining in the party here. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. We need him as fuel. We don't want to get slammed down to 780 very quickly because that encourages the rest of the short sellers to join in the party. We don't want that. Almost half an hour live streaming here. Hopefully you guys like what you're seeing so far. If you're just tuning in, go ahead and hit that like button so that way we can share it to more people on the YouTube world. Let people know that, you know, we can trade together and learn together and all that good stuff. And hopefully make some money. Starting to pull back here. Really need this 790 to hold. This downtrend channel starting to materialize, which is what we don't want that. We want this 790 to hold here. Because if it can't hold and starts consolidating down, I want to be sizing down here. Oh, there we go. There's another pop. All right, all right. So the bulls are here. The bulls are in that area, watching, waiting, trapping, sucking all the short sellers, thinking that this is really going to rotate down to the downside. Come on. 790 surviving so far. 21,790 needs to hold. Needs to hold. This is looking good. As you can see here in the 5-minute chart, we have our pitchfork channels. That's why I'm saying 780. As long as we can stay above 780, we should be able to really push this up. If we go below 780, then target, I would say it's going to start rotating back down to the downside. 21.6, 650, 675, right around there. Oh, hang on, guys. I gotta take a call. All right, can you guys hear me now? Holy moly, we're selling off here. We might have to let this one go. We might have to let it go. Sellers are really getting excited here. Maybe they will rotate this back down. Yep, that's not looking good. All right, ooh, I was just about to get out. All right, we're getting cooked here. Sorry, I had to take that call, making another real estate deal. Let's see if we can get a bounce. I feel like they're really gonna rip this thing to the downside. It's so far down. I'm gonna get out in the next pop here. There we go. Pop it up. Let's just get out of there. Feel like they're gonna slam this down. Kind of want to join to the downside. I want to see it pop up. So we're down about 1,700 bucks on the 300K account. Drawdown that's left, it's about 4 grand. So we have about $4,000 to play with of drawdown. Should have sold up there. 800 was resistance. Yeah, I really think they're gonna take this down to like 721, 740 area. I want to join the downside. Pop up a little more. I want to join the downside. Let's join right here. Oh, now it's gonna pop. That's the pop I was looking for. Instant wicked. Okay, I want to add right here 780. There we go. Let's say we blow this account today. Again, just trading one 300K eval. But we should be able to pull back down there. Let's see. That was the pop I wanted to get out of. Instead, I really thought they were going to slam that down. I want to add one more at like the 780 area. Hopefully we're not the one that's getting trapped here on this little fake short. Don't want to have to reset this account. Cool thing is the reset on this 300K account is only like 40 bucks. And then the 50K evals right now are about $33. So if you guys don't have an account with Apex yet, now's the time to grab one. Make sure you use that code that you see up there. You'll get 80% off. Let's go, baby. Let's sell this down. I think 740 is target to the downside. 740, and then if we can really get crazy, we should be able to see 700. Again, VWAP is down to 21,700. 21,700. Here we go. I like this short here. Yeah, we should have seen that flag break. They might really retest 787. I don't want a random pop to 787. Come on, NQ. Let's just rug pull this thing. There we go. Joining the party here. Really want to add on some size. I like this to the downside. 750 is the next zone. 750. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Get moving here. Get moving. Get it moving. Show me some good price action here. Clean up the charts. Come on, baby. Let's go. Get rid of these lines. We have the new trend line here. We want that bad boy to stay below that line. Continue that price action down. Oh, get rid of this guy. That's done and over with. Old lines. Come on. There we go. Let's go, baby. That'd be wonderful if we go straight down to VWAP. I don't know if there's any news going on, but let's see. Let's check news. Woo! There we go. We're gonna take one off there, or five. Take five off of there. There we go, baby. There we go. I feel like they should slip this down here. Come on. I'm gonna size down. I should have really loaded up at the 780 area. We knew that that was previous support, became resistance. 1113. Let me see. U.S. federal budget balance. That was at 11. And then at 105, earnings report for Cisco. All right. So U.S. federal budget balance news was at 11. So that was about 13 minutes ago. All right. Well, we locked in 5 contracts down there at the 763 area. Again, we want to stay below this trend channel that we drew right there. If we can accomplish that, we should be able to see 750 liquidity grab from previous swing right here. From previous swing low at the 755. Let's see if it happens. Kind of want to add on this pop here. That is bouncing from the 15-minute 21 EMA higher time frame. You can see it right here. Um, the 21 EMA. We want to roll over here. We want this thing to roll over. There we go. Yeah, I should have added or not pop. It's all good. It's all good. That count's only down 2 grand now instead of 3. Okay. It's trying to get frisky here. If it pops up, it's gonna retest that 790 area. We don't want that. We don't want that. Come on, reject here. The 770, 21,770 needs to reject. Because if it can't reject that, we should squeeze back up. Oh, just gonna size down here. Yep, we broke that channel. Just sold 3, still holding 2. I don't like this. It feels like it wants to retest that 790. Feels like, looks like, behaving like. We're gonna trade what we see here, and it's definitely looking like it wants to pop here. Put my stop at, let's see, break even. Or stop at break even. We can always re-enter. Yeah, good thing we sold 5 down there. We should have completely sold off the whole thing down there though. It's looking like we're gonna get stopped out here because again that 790 is that 790 is gonna get tested. Yep, it broke that trend line that we drew there as soon as we got to the other side. Price action shift. Now we want to see if it can get above that pivot point, which is that yellow line. I will join the downside if this thing rejects this trend line here or breaks that trend line. Once it breaks that trend line to the downside, I'm going to be loading up on shorts to try to get this eval back to life. Let's see, let's see. Stopped us out on the last 2 contract there. Either way, those 10 contracts were profitable. Now we wait. $780, looks like $780. Let's see, let's see. overall, we're looking for a downside trade. We don't want to counter trend right now because we see the channel starting to build out to the downside. So all we gotta do is wait for a bear flag to break, which is what we have one here. We got a bear flag there. Wait for that guy to break. Oh, it's too zoomed in. There we go. All right, we got a break. We're gonna join this guy. Join it to the downside. We want to see this thing continue to sell off. I really want to put on some size here as soon as this candle closes in 40 seconds. If it doesn't close below, we're gonna get out immediately. 30 seconds. Let's see if we can put on some size here. Come on, 20 seconds. Come on, turn red. Not looking good. Nope, squeezing up. Not yet. We have a stop there. That's 780. I want to move that up a little bit actually. There we go. There we go. All right. Come on. We need this candle to close outside of this channel. Outside of this trend line here. Downside continuation. I feel like they're gonna whip this thing up, grab those stops. Those short stops over here. 780, 785. I don't want to be a victim of that whip. Getting really tight here. There we go. Come on. It needs to close this channel. Nope, looking like we're gonna get stopped out. Ooh, so close. So close. You gonna slam it down? We almost got stopped out there. This thing turned red, we're sizing up. Ooh, there's the whip. Account's still alive. We got about 3K left. All right. Was that the short squeeze that we were looking for? Above, let's see, 85, 86. It's starting to look like a squeeze here. What's it gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Yeah, it's starting looking like a squeeze. Back up 795. Gets out of this channel here. Oh my god. Then we'll join the party. Outside of that channel, we'll join the party to the upside. It's looking like it. What did we say? 790? 11790? Gosh, it hit that target right on the money. No, if it sells off from there, we were right and we were wrong because we stayed in the trade and got stopped out. Got a little fake out here. I thought that was it on that sell, and they slammed it back up. Nice wick there, nice rejection wick. That's a good sign. $770, $90. I feel like that's a dip buy there. For continuation to push up. We got above this fair value gap as well. This fair value gap here. That's why I feel like want to long this. Want to long this real quick. Tight stop. I'm gonna put a tight stop on this. Oh, rejection. Get out. Fuck that. It blew right through. Okay. We were right at the 790. Okay, here we go. Come on. Ooh. I think we can get above. Get back above 780. We'll join it. Nah, actually. We'll join it to the downside. I'll join it now. We broke that channel. Now let's see. We need to stay below 780. Stay below 780. Ah, getting chopped up here. Nope, I'm out. Ah, my goodness. Let's go, let's go. I think it really wants to push. There we go. Well, this account only has about $2,500 left of drawdown. Getting chopped up. All right, I think this is it here. Moment of truth. Look at that. Right in our freaking target. Can it get above? Or is it just going to fake us out? Okay. Come on. Is this for real? Or this is a fake out? I just feel like it's a fake out. And we should have stayed in that long. Retest. Boom, boom, boom. She's going. Okay. One more dip. All right, we're joining. We're joining this one. We're joining. Buy the dip here. Squeezes on. I think it squeezes on. This account is getting chopped up. All right, now we have this very small amount of drawdown, so we got to size down here. We still want to join the long. We want to stay above this 790 area. That was too tight of a stop, I guess. I think we can really squeeze. We can full send it now, and if we blow it, we blow it. Get another account. Should have my stop down here lower for that move. Just to build a bull flag here. I mean, technically this channel. Ay, ay, ay. Let's clean this up real quick. Get us a fresh lines. There we go. And I think you could retest down here. There we go. We get above 795. Above 795, we should be able to squeeze up. And that squeeze should be pretty good. Looks like we should be able to push 810. 810. Yeah, right up here. I feel like I should size up now. There we go. Let's size up. Let's go. Squeeze this bad boy. 95. There we go. Come on. Stop fucking around. Just squeeze. There we go. Come on. All right. All right. I know you want to go straight to 810. A big pop we're expecting here. Come on. Squeeze them shorts or we're going to blow this account. Get above 800. Get above 800. Come on. Come on, baby. Squeeze is on. Squeeze is on. Let's go. There we go. One more. Got chopped up down here. That was just very frustrating. 11:34, so we have a little bit of time. 30 minutes, a little under 30 minutes before the power hour. Let's do some squeezy here. Come on. Let's go 800. Power through. Power through. Oh, this is looking good. Stay above 800. Stay above 800. There we go. 800, 810. Wait to see 810, 805 flash there. 810 to possibly 820, but I'm going to start locking in some profits here on the next push. Come on. Come on, 800. Hold the line, hold the line. We should get a pretty good push here. As you can see, we broke that trend. That's a nice bull flag there. Broke it. Of course, that breakout will always be retested, so we can't get too greedy. If 800 can't hold, 800 can't hold, we're gonna retest the downside of about 780 again. Come on, 800. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. There we go. Jeez. Come on, baby. Open sky. You got open sky now. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Shorts are in pain now. Shorts are starting to feel it. This is the move that we were looking for earlier. Just got a little chopped up. Just wanted to click some buttons and got punished for it. There we go. There we go. 820 now. I'm gonna start offloading some right here. Just because this is the channel high. There we go. Size down. Lock in some profits there. Size down. We don't want to get whipped down. Yep. There we go. Good sell. Good sell. Gotta respect those channels. Good sell there. Can it squeeze? Can it squeeze is the question. Can it squeeze this up? Offload one more. All right, so we're just gonna hold this right here because 810 was our target initially. We hit that target, size down. We're just gonna leave a runner here. We're gonna trail this pretty tightly, just below the previous candle low. Good thing we really sold into that pop there, starting to struggle. But the squeeze can really turn on above these guys right here, right? These guys, there's liquidity up here. Like it gets above that 815, we can really drive up. But again, it's late in the day, less traders in the market, less volume. Just glad we caught that run. Just got a little impatient down here, got chopped up. You know, we broke this trend line right here. As you can see, this should have been the nice little dip buy. We bought a little early. We got in up here. This was our entry right here, and then we got stopped out. Well, I chickened out. You know, I felt like it was gonna slam down further, but I should have been watching this trend line. This trend line right here, right? This was a break of trend line, and then obviously a retest. So it came up, right? And then retested that trend line, And then as you can see, just ripped. So I chickened out, um, moved my stop too tight, and missed the whole run. So good exit out there so far. I think we're just gonna get stopped out here. Can it squeeze? Keep pushing. That's the ultimate question. We only have two runners now. We locked in that profit pretty good. So how many points is that? From 97 to 810, 13, 14 points. She's really struggling here. Mm, I feel like I should just let this one run. Because we get above that 815. Oh, it's game on. Game on. So we need to build another bull flag pattern here. So let's project that bull flag. So it's gonna look like that. Break above this guy. Then we go. We going to the moon. I might reload again. There we go. There she goes. She's going to the moon from here. We gotta get above that 815. We get above 815. It's going. She's going. 815, next resistance zone. Okay, we got a nice liquidity block up here. This is gonna be a hard liquidity block to get through. Back to life. Come on. Yep. She's losing some steam here. Losing steam. I feel like I should be adding into this as it breaks these flags. Oh man. Let's do it. Let's look it. Let's add on this dip here. I want this thing dip down to right about there. Yeah, let's grab one right there or two. Ooh, nice instant green. I like it. I like it. Come on, baby. Get above the 815. Above 815. Ooh, there we go. There we go. We're going squeeze. Target to the upside on the squeeze is 850. 850 is the overall target. 850, right about there. Let's go. Let's go. Good add on that dip. As you can see, it broke that flag, the little mini flag. We're trading a 1 minute time frame here. Needs to build out another little mini bull flag, and we'll add another. Let's go. Ooh, ooh, come on, 815. Hold up. Hold up. Hold the line, 815. Hold the line. Where is the next? Oh, that was perfect channel. That's why I like using these channels because you can kind of project where the next zones are. So it might chop in between here again and then build out. Because again, it's running out of fuel. All the shorts got got stopped out pretty much right down here, right? As this thing starts to move up, broke structure to level here, broke that structure, broke that structure. Like every swing high got sweat. And now we're up here. We just took out all these liquidity. Now all the shorts are done for. They stopped out. Now, can we drive it a little higher because we have a little bit more short sellers up here? And let's see if the market wants to trigger their stops and just rip this thing to the upside. Because these are the bigger fish here. Their stops is waiting to get rated. Does anybody know how to just click undo on NinjaTrader? Because this is like the long way of doing things. You can just want to hit undo. Not to Google it or YouTube it. Okay, okay. So you see that's why you don't want to see right there. You see that it hit that block and immediately got rejected. So this is not looking good here. So we might have to just run with our profit because it's gonna retest 800. It's gonna want to retest that at 800. Okay, we're gonna size down. I'm gonna sell two here. I just didn't like that wick. It could still squeeze up, but I just don't like that. It just showed its hand that there's a big seller up here. Okay, we broke that little channel up. So we'll hold two. We'll hold two. We locked in. How many points was that run on that contract? From 809 to 16. Ooh, that's pretty good. 7 points. There we go. There we go. Man, this is beautiful. It played out perfectly. If you rewind the video, we talked about all these short sellers. The goal was to put them in pain, right? Stop them out. Once they stopped out, now the market can go back down because the market seeks liquidity, and right now it's building all this long buyers liquidity. They become fuel to the downside. So right now we're extending high of day. Actually, this high of day is, um, yeah, this is basically high of day here. Pre-market high was 850. So that's why I'm targeting 850 to see if that pre-market high get tested here. We will see. We will see, my friend. And it matches with our channel. See, 850 is top of that channel. And also high of day, so just some confluence there. And that's all we're looking for. Just trying to line up the stars. We're sitting pretty good here with this two contract. Well, how many points is that? We have 12, 13 points on this trade. We should have been like sized up, man. This was the move. Why am I being chicken right now? Oh my god. There, there's the squeeze. There's the squeeze that we're looking for. My goodness, it's playing out beautifully. I'm gonna take one here. We're at the liquidity zone. We just swept that liquidity. And then, let's see. Do we want to exit right at 50? I'm gonna exit at like 47. So we're gonna leave that one last runner there to 847. Oh my God, this thing played out so beautifully. Yeah, 26-point run right now. Move my stop. Let's see, just below here. 820. Where was the last resistance? Right here. We get stopped out. 826. Yep. This is don't chase up here. This is liquidity zone. Like you can literally rug pull this thing down 25, 50 points. So you don't want to chase this up here. Although we have a target at 850, you don't want to chase here because this is where the whales, the big, massive billion-dollar traders, this is the type of levels they want to enter. And when they enter a big position, they move it. They move it like 20, 50 points. As you can see right there. I mean, that's from 38 down to 26. I mean, that's a 20-point whip right there. That's why we wanted to offload one, because again, holding and hoping is not a strategy. You always want to anticipate the market. What is it going to do? You can still push, because this is going to retest this zone here, right? But it played out beautifully based on our thesis down here. But again, that's what I need to work on is being impatient and just being wanting to trade. And I was clicking buttons here to try to catch a little moves, which I should have just waited for this whole plan right here to play out. But it's all good. Right now we are $90 in profit, but commission is $235, so we're in the red. We're still in the red. Still on red. I don't know. Should we wait for another setup? Should we wait for another setup? Let's look for a. Yeah, I'm gonna delete all this again. How do you freaking undo the drawings on NinjaTrader? I'm gonna have to look that up because this takes too long to just having to go back and delete them manually. Okay, well that was beautiful. See these bull patterns? Yep, that broke. We look for another bull flag. We got a channel going on here. I'm gonna extend this a little bit. That was beautiful trade. That was so awesome. Okay, so now let's project a bull flag. If you guys want to learn how to do the bull flag channel projection, just put your comments down below. I'll create a video on it so you guys can learn what I'm looking for. There we go, there we go. So it's kind of looking like this. Pretty steep. I like my channel or the lines to be about 45 degrees. For some reason, the market likes to paint or, you know, project about a 45-degree angle of chop, consolidation as a bull flag, consolidation as a bear flag. For some reason, it likes about a 45-degree angle. I don't know why, but that's what they want to show you. That's what they want to show you. Oh, actually, on that account, so as you can see right there, so we're up $325. And then after commission of 235, we're green $90. So we went from negative, like literally 4,000. We got so chopped up down there. That was just ridiculous. We got chopped up. But negative 4,000, I think it was like 4,500 at the lowest, and we're back to green. And it's just the part that I need to improve on is being patient on the setup that I'm looking for instead of trying to catch every penny it moves. This is the move that I wanted. Should have waited and loaded the F up. Got in right here, got stopped out, and then joined them right about here. Oh no, down here. It was around 796 because we were above 790. I've been mentioning as long as we hold above 790, we can push. So we really got aggressive at 796 and started pushing up from there. There we go. We're gonna hit that 850. We're gonna hit that 850 just without us, right? We got stopped out already. There's another flag break. So this is can push. So if you're not in, if you want to trade, hey, let's do let's just do one contract because I don't want to. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, instant green. Here we go. That's good. That's good. Target 850. Let's go 848 because sometimes the market be shorting you on round number. Too many times I've seen where you have a profit, take profit at a round number, and the market just turns like a tick or a point before your take profits. I've seen it too many times. It happened to me, and yeah, that makes it a sad day. Like again, the reason I don't want to size up here because this is danger zone. It can get rug pulled, and that's if I want to trade, I just want to be messing around with the one contract. I think we've done most of the move already, to where we can really get aggressive. And so if you still want to trade, size down because this is fuckery zone. You can really get whipped around, just like what happened down here. Overextension to the downside. We got whipped around. Same thing up here. This is overextension to the upside now. We have liquidity up here, so you can really get slap around. And I don't want to repeat what I did here because I was trying to size up with like 5 contracts. Ooh, look at that whip. Jesus. As I say it, it just it took my one contract stop to the T. And let's see if this is gonna rip right back up. If this thing rips right back up, is like everything I just talked about coming into play. Yeah, I'm not even touching that anymore. Now I'm negative 134. Oh my goodness. I want to trade the downside so I can go green. Trade the downside and get whiplash. Nope, I need a bull flag. I need a bull flag, please, so I can trade. Oh, nothing. Nothing. I don't see nothing. Yeah, they could take this thing way back down to 780. I market is kind of showing its hand. Let's find the next trend. Let's get rid of this one because it's not lining up much. Let's try to find the trend. I like to use the pitchfork to kind of find my trend. What is the market doing? That's very steep. Ooh, yeah, we're downside. We got lower highs setting up here. Okay, I think this is the trend. We got a rejection here, right? We got a rejection there. We got a pivot here. You can kind of see that. Let's see if that plays out. Okay. Everything's matching so far as like the channel lines. We still have a target of 750. Oh, this is good. This is good for a long here. Okay, let's go long. We broke that channel. So we need to stay above this, what is this yellow line? Open, previous day open. We're gonna do a tight stop here. I want to add too when we break this. There we go. There we go. This is gonna be quick. This might be a quick pop and drop. Careful here. Let's do 40, 47.50 sell. Just in case we get a quick whip. I'm gonna give this one a little room actually. Oh, come on. See? This is why I don't like to trade up here. It does this shit. Now we have a lower. Oh my god. I have to give this one some room. Because this is the ultimate chop zone. Right here. This is liquidity. This was resistance. Let's add on this dip here. I'm gonna average down. I still expect this to pop. So I want to get a good price entry right here. Again, we're sized down, one contract at a time. Man. Can we push up real quick? Oh, man. I don't like this price action. Oh, come on. We have room to the downside. Retest a level of 8, 810, 810 area, which is right where our stop is. Son of a bitch, it wants my stop. Oh my goodness, the market. See, when you start trading some levels that you have very low confidence in, do not size up. That sucks. This zone here, it's just hunting for more liquidity. It ran out of fuel before we could get to 850, so now it's trying to build more shorts. So because if you're a short seller and you see this, you're like, oh my God, exhaustion. I'm gonna short, 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 short. And then it gets to a level of about 810 and it's just gonna rip it right back up. Because guess what? Guess what's gonna happen? All these long traders from here, they're gonna start taking their profit, right? They're gonna start taking their profit at that zone of like 810, 800, and guess what? They're gonna sell. They're gonna sell right here. That's why it's gonna drive it down. Let's see. Let's see again. It feels like what happened down here. Okay, that's what it feels like. Oh, excuse me. Okay, here we go. There's the little pump. Come on. We need this area to hold. I might even size up. If it breaks this channel up here pretty quickly, I might even size up to like, I don't know, 5. Come on, buddy. It's not looking good, I tell you that. It's not looking good. There's another low. Gosh. Break this channel here. And get the F out. Get out. I hate this. Watch this thing rip right back up. Now we're down 500 bucks instead of being green 300. Again, we're just messing around with this 300K account. Just one is gonna get to that 810. Then I'll buy it again. I want to buy at 810. Or we can short it here. It's building out this bull flag pattern on the 5 minutes. Pretty clearly, you can see it there. So again, we're still bullish, but it's just they gotta sucker in more shorts. Let's get. Should we join this? Should we join this? Downside is 800. Okay, we got about 20 points to the downside. Should we join it? Let's do it. We're just messing around here. Let's go. Come on. All right. Let's see if we can join this downside for a quick minute. If she wants to rip up, then we gotta get out of it pretty quickly. Is it time to rip already? Is it time? Oh my goodness. Or you're just chopping. We get below this little trend line right here. We're gonna add in more shorts. We're gonna go green today. We're gonna go green. Just gotta be patient. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Nope, not ready. Which line is that? It's kind of close above that. You can push. Okay. Our stop's gonna be really tight here. Okay, let's get out of this damn thing. She's gonna push. This is the squeeze. This is the squeeze. Darn you, squeezer. Let's go. I wanna add. I wanna add a little more here. We're gonna go green. We will get our 850. 850, come on. There we go. Let's see. Are we getting chopped up again? Or are we actually going to push? Because that was very bullish push. Come on, don't do me dirty like that. Oh, you suck. You suck. Yep, done me dirty. Should have waited for that freaking break. Gosh, I feel like it's happening here again. Look at that wick. It's getting bought out. Ugh. Let's let this 5-minute bull flag play out. We're gonna play to the upside. When we play to the upside, we're gonna make money. Oh, what a headache spot. And then quick little tip on how to stay patient is play some Tetris. Because if you keep staring at the chart, you're gonna come up with ideas that don't make sense. And you're gonna end up trading them. Just like what just happened. Choppy, choppy zone. Might have to just call it a day here, guys. It's just not worth it anymore. Look at that thing. It's just fuck around and find out zone. Here we go. We gotta move here. Can this can this squeeze up? Here we go. Here we go. We need this thing to close. Close above. What's this? 20, 30, 30. We'll do two contracts started here. We'll do a starter contract there. We'll do a starter contract here. I think we can push here. Come on, grab me here. Let's go. It's patient enough to just play Tetris there for a little bit. There we go. This should squeeze. Come on, get us in for a dip buy here. Get us on the dippy. Dippy, dippy, dippy. One more dip. One more dip for me. Come on. One more dip. I want to be in this trade. Come on. There we go. All right. Good, good. Now we want to see this thing stay above 25. 21,825. We stay above that, we should be okay. If we get below, then another stop out. Let's go. Come on, don't fake me out again. My stop should be right down here. 810. Oh, come on, don't. You're not looking good. Bro, you suck. Got faked out there. That was a fake out. Fucking fake out. Got jammed. Got jammed up on that bear flag. Got jammed up on that bear flag. Oh my god. Jeez. Let's move a stop down here. That's last chance right here. We might blow this account. Getting faked out right there. My goodness. That was a fake out pop. Come on. I know that was a little stop hunt you doing there. 30 minutes for the market close. See? Let's sell. Sell one. Sell two. Trying to minimize the damage here. See, 810. 810, right on the freaking money. So we should be able to push there if 810 can really hold. I still want to add more size once we get above, if we can get above 25. Nope, not liking that at all. This might be the rollover. Maybe. Last chance here. This is the last chance. We get outside of this uptrend line right here, then it's game over. Last chance. We're gonna go for broke here. Go for broke. We're gonna hope that this bounces to 810, 21, 810. 300K account. Will it survive? Let's go. We still have about $3,000 of drawdown. 3K of drawdown. Will she whip this thing up? What a fake out up there. Ugh. Should have waited for the 5 minutes. The 5 minute candle. 5 minute candle. Yep, just like that. Look at that. Whee! Oh my God. These stop hunts are vicious. These stop hunts are vicious. Look at that. My goodness. Come on, push it up. Very vicious. I think that push was close enough. 850 may not happen today. It could. It could do a little stop hunt for all the shorts right now. All the shorts are hanging out up here. They got them trapped in this little consolidation move. They're getting comfy. We get above, let's see here, 25. So we get above 21, 880, 825. Shorts are going to start getting triggered. And then we'll rip up and we hit our 850. Let's go. Oh my goodness. We got some size here. We got some size. Gosh, I just hate this chop part. Let's go. We're going to sell some at the 25 area just in case he does a big rejection. We want to protect this little profits that we have here. And then we can always re-add above 25. There's the squeeze. There's the squeeze. Come on. Drive them up, baby. Go. We're going to sell some up here. Sell some up here. We just want to protect that profit. Come on, drive up. It's looking good in a 5 minute here. Starting to curl up. Come on. We gotta respect this little bear bull flag downtrend. Oh, come on, baby. Okay, okay. I feel like we should grab a little bit more. Come on. We should have taken that profit. Moment of truth here. Not liking it again. No, 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 no. What a roller coaster. 24 minutes till market close. What will she do? Will she squeeze up first, stop all these shorts up here, or she's gonna go straight down? I feel like we're gonna move our stop up here. 810 again. Yeah, if we get stopped out 810, we'll call it a day. Keep the count alive. Is she gonna stop us out? Oh, pretty close. Pretty darn close. Yep. Oh God, don't want to get stopped out. All right, well, that's that. We're down 2,900 bucks in that account. So, not today. Not passing today. We'll see you guys next time.